As you know, I am the teacher and I am from Bihar, Patna, of course. And in this way, I am the great sufferer today, deprived of even the fundamental needs. In the online classes, the teachers are giving duties to build up the career of the students. In spite of providing services, teachers are very much deprived and full of loneliness. Teacher cannot manage himself to do anything to earn livelihood. What is the basic reason? Ultimately, the government is extending the dates of opening schools and colleges and coaching centers. So what will happen in this way? The students, the future of the nation are great sufferers, and of course the maker of the nation's future, teachers, are great sufferers. Teachers are obeying all kinds of norms which are provided by government, all kinds of instructions are followed by the teacher, but teachers also have value. Teachers have to pay the rent. Teachers have to eat the food. Teachers have to buy some green vegetables and medicine. Do you think is this possible? Parents are not providing home tuition nowadays because of the impact of coronavirus. And if teachers are cooperating the government and the government is extending especially the dates of opening schools and colleges, what is the responsibility of the government towards the teacher? There is no responsibility. I don't think so. I think the meaning of the government is the parent of us. We all have elected the government to help us in the period of need. Don't ignore us like this. This is not a fair thing. I think the government should understand the value of the kindness and humanity too, because kindness is the greatest jewel, greatest pearl in the crown of the government. You are selected by us. We all have elected you. So there is some responsibility towards us. You have to fulfill. Where are you? Excess of anything is bad. So please think about it. Without us, how will you say that you are fetching, you are providing good instructions and you are coping with this critical situation? I don't think so. Please do something. We are educated, but we are not dead. We have life. This is Bihar, and in Bihar, of course, we all are descendants of great ancestors like Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. So do something like Karna, like Ashoka. So do something. What can I say? Chaos will exist. Don't wait for that. Unemployment is very much critical situation. Very much critical situation. Don't try to make the hell to the life of us. Don't try to make our lives hell. This is not good for us. We have family like you have. I think you can understand it.